Detailed 2024 Land Rover Defender Off-Roading Review, Unparalleled Capability and Performance Introduction. Welcome to our comprehensive review of the 2024 Land Rover Defender, where we delve deep into its off-road prowess, design updates, interior luxury, engine performance, on-road maneuverability, and improvements over the previous model. Off-road capability. The 2024 Defender continues Land Rover's legacy of off-road excellence, thanks to its advanced terrain response system, which adapts the vehicle's settings to conquer various terrains with ease. With impressive ground clearance, articulation, and approach departure angles, it handles everything from rocky trails to muddy tracks with confidence. New exterior design. Land Rover has given the 2024 Defender a refreshed exterior design, blending modern aesthetics with the iconic Defender silhouette. The rugged yet sophisticated appearance is enhanced by aerodynamic improvements, including a revised front grille, LED lighting, and functional design elements for improved off-road performance. Interior design. Step inside the 2024 Defender, and you're greeted by a luxurious and versatile interior. Premium materials, impeccable craftsmanship, and advanced technology create a comfortable and functional cabin environment. The configurable seating options and ample cargo space ensure that it's not only capable off-road but also practical for everyday use. Engine performance. Under the hood, the 2024 Defender offers a range of powerful and efficient engine options, including petrol and diesel variants. Whether you opt for the spirited performance of the petrol engines or the torque-rich diesel powertrains, the Defender delivers impressive performance both on and off the road. Diesel engines. We've tested the D242.0-liter in the 110, which proved to be smooth and generates a comfortable turn of pace for a vehicle of this size. It does need to work hard if you want to get up to speed in a hurry, but you generally drive in a laid-back nature that completely suits the Defender's character. The automatic gearbox helps compensate the overall lack of power by hanging on to gears a little longer, letting the engine rev higher before shifting up. Thankfully, this doesn't compromise on refinement. If anything, this sounds pretty good for a 4-cylinder diesel, generating an artificial low-end rumble in the cabin. However, while the 2.0-liter made a good first impression during the Defender's initial launch, the Bronnier 3.0-liter 6-cylinder diesel engine takes a leap forward in performance and refinement. We tried the D250 and the silky smooth power delivery helps the 90 feel far more like a luxury vehicle, while the additional torque means you don't have to rev it so much either. This natural performer simply lets you glide around in the Defender, which is a far cry from its agricultural predecessor. Petrol engines driven exclusively off-road. For this review, the P300 proved to be capable to generating enough pulling power to haul the Defender 90 up very steep inclines, while managing to deliver its torque in a progressive, linear manner, free from sudden surges of grunt. Things are certainly more orally pleasing with the 6-cylinder engine in the P400. At motorway speeds it's hushed and unstressed, but provoke the throttle pedal and it surges forwards with a degree of pace that seems at odds with the Defender's squared-off styling. Off-roading and on-road maneuverability. On challenging off-road terrain, the Defender shines, thanks to its rugged construction, advanced suspension systems, and precise steering. Its ability to conquer obstacles with confidence while maintaining stability and control is unmatched in its class. On-road, the Defender delivers a refined and composed driving experience, with responsive handling and a comfortable ride, making it equally adept at tackling daily commutes or long highway journeys. What's it like to drive? Surprisingly capable on-road, extraordinarily agile off-it air suspension improves matters further as much as it will cause further anguish to Land Rover traditionalists still lamenting the new Defender 90's lack of ovine transportation abilities. The truth is that most of these cars will mostly spend their time on metalled roads. The good news here is that Land Rover has ensured it has fine manners, for when it's driven on asphalt, cornering with more precision than a full-sized Range Rover, but without the degree of feeling you would experience in an Evoque. It's a well-judged compromise that suits the Defender's character. You'd be right to expect a fair degree of body roll, but the models we've tried on air suspension remain composed and the 90 avoids feeling top-heavy most of the time. Despite being so high up, tires with high sidewalls surrounding smaller wheel rims together combine to contribute to a cushioned ride quality, but we would recommend spending extra on the adaptive air suspension for even greater agility and comfort. Hustling the P400 version on winding back roads fitted with the air springs confirm that body roll is kept in check, enabling higher speeds to be maintained, but tackle a corner a bit too hot and it will push wider than your intended line, a problem exacerbated by the optional off-road tires. While the controls don't offer a tremendous amount of communication, they're reassuringly weighty, allowing the 90 to feel easy to control and, whisper it, fun to drive. There's not much weighting from the steering wheel immediately off-center, but it builds up quickly enough thereafter. It's a well-judged balance overall, offering a little more agility over the 110 while remaining comfortable. A Land Rover wouldn't be worthy of its green oval badge if it wasn't capable of incredible off-roading feats, and the latest 90 doesn't disappoint in this regard, either. Even the standard coil suspension allows it to tackle terrain that looks barely possible for an adventurous goat to be able to pass, and with the height-adjustable nature of the air springs, you've got even more ground clearance minus 291mm in fact. Factor in other eye-widening stats such as its ability to wade through water 900mm deep, climb 38-degree slopes and descend ones of 40 degrees, and you have a car that's an astonishing all-rounder. Naturally, as previously mentioned, there's a host of electronic kit available that assists the driver make light work of a variety of topographic situations, including terrain response through drive modes that monitor the kind of surface being driven on, and all-terrain progress control, off-road cruise control for low-speed use. But, for serious off-roading, one option that's